Guys, today I will teach you simple differentiation part 1. So we will not cover like maximum, minimum, and when the gradient is 0 and all that. I will just teach you how to do differentiation because you should be able to do it for further maths. If you can't, you are accepted. Let's start off with an example that I definitely wrote. Y equals x cubed plus 2x squared plus 5x plus 1. Now, this is our equation. If we scroll down to find dy dx, which if you are not struggling that much, you should know that this means the gradient function. So any value you put in, if you put in any value of x into our gradient function, it'll tell you the gradient. If we dy dx this equation, it will give us 3x squared plus 4x plus 5. Now, you might be asking, why is that? Like, what? You might be asking, like, what? How did you do that? And what I say to that is maths. So let me show you. If we have our equations y equals x to the power of n, our dy dx, our general formula is nx to the power of n minus 1. So seeing our equation here is basically bringing down the 3, then taking away 1, bringing down the 2, so you do 2 times 2, which gets us 4, then bringing down the 1, and the x disappears because after you do, as I will show, so 5x to the power of 1 will become 5 times 1x to the power of 0. And anything to the power of 0 is, yes, it's 1. So it will only give 5. And anything alone on its own will not give anything. So it will basically disappear. Now you might be asking, right, so now I have my gradient function. What do I do with that? And what I say to that is, put your maths hats on because I will teach you. All right, let me just 3x squared plus 4x plus 5. Right. Imagine it told you this. Hey, I have the point x equals 1, but I want to know what my gradient will be at this point. How do I figure that out? All you need to do is do dy over dx equals 3 times 1 squared plus 4 times 1 plus 5, which gets you 3 plus 4 plus 5, which obviously you know is 12. Yes. So your gradient at x equals 1 is x equals 1 and something something is 12. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Right. That's it. That's all I have to teach you. Go out and do your maths. I hope that was correct because I don't even know if it's correct. So, yeah, goodbye.